Hello guys, it's Paul here, iTFT Computers, IT for tomorrow. Today we have the same issue as last week. Also, this is HP laptop. The SSD has failed. This is the actual SSD. You can see it's only a few years old and it's gone now with all the data. So this time luckily a customer had a backup in place. But still, he lost all the windows and all the files, obviously all the settings, like the whole lot, everything was gone. The problem is, it takes time to fix it, and we have to reinstall the windows and so on. So I would definitely recommend, because obviously have a look, this SSDs fail now quite a lot, very often. Definitely replace your SSD, so you could upgrade, for example, for 1 terabyte or half a terabyte, and that will make your machine faster as well. It's a good laptop overall. It's a very good HP laptop. Unfortunately, the SSD has failed, so it's something to think about, because it's going to be a downtime for you, and obviously the backup is very important in this case. If you have any IT related issues, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.